trying to get the other one.
Baylee. Hey, Jacob.
Jacob, please move.
I can get the more speed.
You got 3 stories.
I survived?
Baby, finish your snack, baby. Finish your snack.
What happens when I hit 0?
Hey, oh. When you run out of life, you lose. No replay.
Oh.
You're like, that's because it's very strong. You're just reach all the way up.
Baylee, what are you doing? Baylee.
Finish your snack, baby.
Baylee. Baylee, look at mommy. What you doing? What are you doing, Baylee?
But I only have a few hours before the toy maker takes over the world. Level 5. Level 5 is unwinnable.
Baylee.
Understand that, but I have to save the world. Hey, Russ. This person thinks he's level 5 material.
So I hear.
Baylee.
You guys must be beta testers.
One of the first allowed to roam free these coveted digital hills, my friend. Have an offer service. I'm Rez.
Baylee.
Hi, Russ. Now, I'll see
Is that good?
If anyone's gonna get to the great prize at level 5, it's gonna be one of us.
Whatever. I want cheap.
Baylee. Baylee, Baylee, Baylee.
Anything.
And she's out. Oh, nope. Oh.
Implementation of any form of hack code or cheat boost, trigger